one is this? 7?
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Farmville Pickers. Welcome to the farmhouse.
Live action.
Look, it's live action. We don't get much live action. They're putting the door in. All right, so yeah, enough of that. Let's finish this up. Okay. So this is welcome to number 7. Isn't that what we said? Yeah. So this is number 7. We just want to give you guys an update of where the building stands. The farmhouse is definitely coming along. While we were in Ohio, they made a lot of progress. Yes. So we're excited to show y'all. Yep. So you ready to get to show it? All right. Well, first, while they're putting the door in, I guess we'll go and do a walk around. Yeah. And then we'll end up back here, and hopefully there's enough of the door being in that we can get inside. But we'll see. If not, we'll show the inside. We'll figure that one out. So yeah, well, I mean, babe, first off, I guess we need to point up because the shiplap is going onto the ceiling under the porch here. Yeah. Not quite done with it yet, but they're getting her done. Beautiful. Still gotta do the burning part of it, but yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Next. About some siding. We got a lot of that done. Looks like, I think up there in the eave, he's gonna have to put the vent. A vent. So he couldn't finish that out at this point. The vent is coming as soon as it gets here. Yep, yeah. Gotta order it. Or we already ordered it. Yeah. As soon as it gets here, they'll get that in and then finalize this. He did come up a little bit short on the siding also, so he had to order some of that too. So no biggie. No biggie. No, I don't think there's any progress on the backside. I think he was already here the last time that we videoed. And on this side, so you can see, this is what he's gonna have remaining. He had to order some more to do that. All right, this is a big ad right here. This is the most important part. Yeah, the air conditioning and heat is installed. It's actually working. They turned it on for us a little while ago. Pretty cool though. Pretty cool stuff. And then we get back around to the front. Oh, you took the door back off, so maybe we'll. Oh yeah, y'all go in. We can go in? Yeah, I gotta cut some of the plywood back. That's why I can't get it going. Oh, okay, okay. Kind of dark in here. We don't have the lighting up yet, but if you look up. Yeah, it's a little dark now. Look at that. Got a ceiling. Yeah, got a ceiling in. Got a couple holes there for the ceiling fans. They got all of the insulation completed. No, you can go ahead and work. Don't let us slow you down. You get her done, buddy. So one other thing to look at right here. Yeah, looking good. They left us an access point to get up into the attic. It's going to be finished out though. I don't think we'll ever go inside of there, do you? No. No. Got the drywall put up where the air conditioning unit's going to be, or where the air conditioning unit is. Yep. And the big thing, the wall back here. So you see the big hole right here. My wife wanted this huge television. Do you believe that? So if you believe that. I think it was Lee's idea. Lee said you should put a huge television on. Lee's gonna come over and watch TV. Yeah. We got a fireplace in the bottom of it, a mantle there, and then there's gonna be a TV that fills. It's gonna fill this hole. It's pretty awesome. Good stuff. They got all the wood burned for the wall. Man, it's coming right on along, babe.
We almost have a door.
And we almost have a door. Good stuff, yeah. So Alex said that he would probably be here by the end of the week to get some of the lighting done and such.
Yeah.
It's looking good, sweetheart. Mm-hmm. Anything that you would like to say to your fans?
You're silly.
Yeah.
I think it looks fabulous.
It looks fabulous.
That feature wall is beautiful.
Yeah. I can't wait to walk into the building with all the lighting and everything. Man, it's going to be so pretty.
We originally got this mantle for a dark gray wall.
Yeah.
But then we decided to do the burnt wood, but I think it looks great. I think they match pretty good.
I think it does too.
It's just got the browns and the grays in it. And then that'll tie into the tables that'll be beside it, which will have both dark and light.
Right, yeah. Yep.
We're going to have a little bit of a hodgepodge of different tones of brown and gray, but I think they'll all pull together.
Yeah, I think it's going to look good. I think that matches very well. And we don't want it to be the exact same.
Yeah.
Have some type of, a little bit of difference there, so.
Yep.
But anyway.
Be beautiful.
So with that, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down here. I think I've covered just about everything that we can cover inside of here. It really looks good. But once he gets that door in, we'll come back and show the door, and then we'll finalize the video. You good?
Yeah.
All right. We'll be back in just a moment. The door up. Are you ready to see it?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
I am.
Yeah. Lee's pretty excited.
Yeah.
Yeah, no doubt. So, all right, you ready to see it?
Yep. Let's look.
Right, let's look at that pretty door you picked.
Okay. Oh, it's beautiful.
Walk out this way.
It's perfect, I think.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
What do you think?
I love it.
Yeah, the color of the doorknob matches great.
I couldn't even see the doorknob on the camera. Now, there you go.
Are you ready? Because the outside is black.
It's your first time opening the door and walking in.
Oh, it feels so different. It's
awesome. Does, doesn't it? Oh, and look.
Yeah.
Look at the wall.
It's going to be awesome.
Yeah.
And the inside of the door is white.
Yeah.
That way it doesn't look like a sore thumb.
It's a good match to the to the paint and such, yeah.
Yep.
Oh man.
Isn't that nice?
It's coming,
honey?
dear. It's coming.
Love it. That door is perfect.
Yeah.
I'm glad we went with the longer windows.
Yeah.
Because the original door I wanted just had the 3 little windows up here.
Right.
But then I changed my mind to get the 3/4 light, and I'm so glad we did. The extra light in here will be nice, and it just looks very farmhousey. When we called it the farmhouse, that's when I changed the door.
Yeah.
Because that other door looked too modern to be a farmhouse.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's awesome.
Well, good stuff. All right. Well, let's take a walk out here to the side of the building, and we'll get this thing finished up.
Okay.
All right. Got over here. Good stuff, though.
Yeah.
Really good stuff.
Yep.
Gonna be more made for tomorrow.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's get her done. We had to come back in because Frankie wanted the baby to be on camera.
Yeah.
What's the baby's name?
Sasha.
Sasha? Hey, baby.
She's so cute.
She's so cute. Come here. Mama, if you pick her up.
Her full name is Cheyenne. What is it?
Cheyenne May.
Thank you.
Cheyenne May
Yeah. You purdy.
Does she have a nickname?
Sasha.
Shasha. Yeah. She's a good one.
Can I pet you?
Frankie, we appreciate everything, brother.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed going through this video and seeing where we're coming, where we're at currently with the building. But with that, I mean, until next time,
Yep.
you know, part number 8 will be next, and hopefully it'll almost be done by that point, I think. So,
I hope so.
Yeah, it's got a lot. We're excited. So just we do appreciate everything, and yeah, like, subscribe, help us out with some comments,
Yep.
thumbs up. It's all good. But with that, until the next one, peace out.